Hello great team, once more I welcome you back to Technical Drawing Solutions. This is Mr. Roger Sopani. Today we are going to look at this question here that is with us here, question 13, which has 30 marks. It reads, figure 9 shows a front elevation and an incomplete plan of a truncated square based pyramid. Draw the following views: the complete plan, the end elevation, then it's given 30 marks. So because this is a bit cheap, I want to add some other parts of the equation. I want to add part C. Part C of the equation, we want to look at the surface development. Let me add the surface development like that. In case we get enough space, we will also have a part D. We are going to look at the true shape. But for now, let us work on the 3 first and see how it goes. So when you meet such a kind of equation in an examination setup, the first thing to do is to copy whatever is on the paper. We are going to copy the drawing on our paper. So this is how to go about it. We are told from this edge here is 60. So that's what we are going to draw. Or we can start by drawing this plan, then we come up with the top part. So here we go. So the first thing is to draw this square that is tilted down there. So I'll put a guideline like this, then draw a line like that. Then we are told from here to here is 60, meaning that from this edge to this edge here is 60. So we have this edge to this edge, which is 60. So I measure 60. With this 60 of mine, I stand at this point, make an arc there. I come to this point, make another arc there. Then now I'll draw it. So it's a tilted square, meaning that I'm going to use my angles of 45 degrees. So that is it. Then I draw a line upwards like that. I slide it along that edge like that. I make another line like that. Then after doing that, I again take it to this side. So this is the top part. The lower part also, I'll take a line like that, then push it to that other side there, then draw a line like that. So whatever I've drawn here is what is needed. So this is the small square that is there, because it is a square based pyramid. So then I want to draw the front view. I'll draw a line that is parallel to this line. Let me call this point A, B, C, and D. So I'm going to draw a line that is parallel to line AC on top of this. So first of all, I just take a line like that. Then I want to draw from here to here. So I am going to start from point A with my set square from point A like that. That is my point A. Then I take a straight line till I reach that point up there on that line. Again on this side, just take it upwards like that. So that line is from here to here. So I want to put it in bold so that it can be seen. So that is it. Then we have the perpendicular height from here to here is 80. So we will measure our 80. We measure our 80. So I've measured my 80 like that. Then after measuring my 80, I come to point B. I want to draw this center line. So I take it from the plan. So this is my point B. I'll take a straight line from there upwards like that. Then I mark the distance of 80. That is my distance of 80. I have marked it on top there. Then after that, I want to draw the slant, the two slants that will come from here to the apex, and the apex is at 80. So I come here like that. That is it. Then I draw that one upwards like that. Then from here also I draw another one like that. Good. So after drawing that, we have these lines drawn straight, meaning that from here to here is a perpendicular height and not the slant height. So I will measure 15, and again from the base I measure another 50 that will line with this. So from here to here is 50, and from here to here is 15. So first of all, let me start with the 15. So this is my 15. I come with it here, I put a mark at my center there. Then another one is 50. In the equation, this is 50. Then I put the 50 at the center there. So after doing that, I'll use my set square. So this 15 is at this edge. So what I'll do, I'll come with my t-square like that. That is the edge of 15. Then the edge of 50 is at this other side here. So this is where I put my arc of 50, then I put there. So the next thing is now to draw the slant. So that is the slant. So this is what we have given. That is what now we have copied. So by so doing, we've copied the front view there. And let me now draw this one in bold because we are given that one like that. Like that. So that is what we are given on paper. So where we have reached now, it's like we are at 15 marks if we go by what is in the equation. So now we want to complete these elevations. So let us draw the complete plan. So now when drawing the complete plan, it's very simple. So what we are going to do now is to draw the diagonals. So we have this one diagonal, and we also have this other diagonal here. So I'll draw the two diagonals like that. Then now where this line cutting plane is going to cut the square pyramid, we are going to take it straight downwards until it touches our line AC. So from this edge where the cutting plane cuts the edge of our square pyramid, we take a straight line and it will be at this point here. Then again at this center, at this end here, we will take a straight line downwards like that until it reaches there. So that is it. Then now we have where it starts here and it ends here. So we want also the center. How are we going to get it? We are going to follow this center line where it touches the cutting plane there. And that one we are going to take it outwards until it touches the slant height. So let me call this XY. So we are going to measure XY to get the distance there at the center. So I'll take XY like this. This is my XY, that is it. Then I come with it at this side. I put an arc up there. I put another arc below it. Then after that, now I just join. So from that one, now I join these points. These points, I join them with straight lines like this. So I join that one like that. I join that. I join that one. And then lastly, I join this one. So this is the complete plan now. In case we were told that it's a solid truncated square based pyramid, then we want to section this edge. But because we are not told whether it is a solid or not, even if you leave it at this point, then you are done with it. So we are done with the complete plan. So the next thing is to draw the end elevation. So I want to draw my end elevation in this side. So for you to get an easier task, let me call this point M. So MC, we are going to extend line MC downwards. I want to extend line MC downwards like that. Then after extending it downwards like that, I will draw a line from point D to touch line MC. A parallel line, that is a straight line using my T-square like that until it touches the edge of that line. Again from point B, I also draw the same like that. Good. Then after drawing that, I will extend this line M. Let me call this M. NM. I'll extend line NM towards my right. Why am I doing so? I want to draw my end elevation here, and I am seeing it in first angle orthographic projection. So I'll extend this line towards this direction. That way. Good. So let me call this point D and this point E. D prime, because I have a D here. So now I will open my compass from point M here to point D prime here. Let me come here. That one, make an arc to come up there like that. Again I open from point M to point C like that. This is my point C. I make an arc like that. Then again I open from point M to point C, point E. Down there I make another arc like that. So here is where I want us to draw the end elevation. So the first thing that I do, I'll just make a complete line from there to here, from this end where the arc starts until where the end of this arc is. Then at this center one, the one at the center also, we will take it up straight from that side. So we'll take a straight line from here, straight upwards like that. Then where is this end elevation supposed to reach? So I'll take the maximum which was at 80 here, aligned with this. So, okay, let me just put a straight line there for visibility. So a line that is coming from here to here. So now I want to complete this triangle, because we'll be seeing a triangle as our end elevation. So let me put it in 2H first. Let me just put it in 2H first, because it's not everything that we are going to see like that. Then after that, now I want to take these points where the slant line was cutting the edges of this pyramid. So we had it touch this point here, we had it touch at the center here, and at this edge. So all of them, I want to take them to the far side. So I want to take them to the end elevation. So I'll take a straight line from here, take it straight to that side, like that. Then come at the center here, take a straight line like that. Then lastly, I come at this point here, I take a straight line like that. So when we see the end elevation, we are going to start from here and it will end here. Yeah, and of course it will come from here, come here, and come here. So the end elevation here is how it goes. Next time when I come to this class, I'm sure I'll come up with a drawing, not even a drawing, I'll come up with a solid square based pyramid that is cut for us to confirm whether it is what really we will be seeing. So that is it. That is it. And then lastly, we have this one like that. Then now the center here, what we'll be seeing, so this line will be visible like that until it reaches there. So now when you look at the end elevation, this is what you will see. Let me put this one bold. because it is also visible. So this is what the equation required: the complete plan and the end elevation. So this is the complete plan, this is the end elevation, 30 marks. But I said that I want to add some knowledge. I want us to do what we call the surface development. When we open up this thing, what will we see? That is what we call surface development, or SD. So from this edge here, because this one is at the edge, we have taken this one at the edge, so this one we want to bring it to this edge. So from here I will bring that one to this edge here. So all those lines will land on that slant line. Then at the apex, let me call this apex point Z. From point Z, I'll open my compass from point Z to point N. So from this point Z here, open my compass to point N, then draw an arc with a 2H pencil. I hope I had explained why I'm drawing them in 2H. It is because they are construction lines. So don't say that I'm drawing things that are not seen. It's because they are construction lines. Then I take one side of the square pyramid, this one here. I take it, then stand at point N, because there are 4 sides, I'll make 4 arcs. So I have 1, 2, 3. Wow, that one is not enough. So what I do, I just make a line that is parallel to this. A line that is parallel to that is what I will make. Where am I going to make it? I'm going to make it down here. So I'm going to make it down here. I just decide to extend it like that. Then I make it down here. So after making it down there, I stand at point Z, open my compass to point N, like that. Then I come at point N like that, make an arc upwards like that. Then using now these sides of 4, I'll come there. This is it. So I'll stand here and make 4 arcs. 1, 2, 3. Lastly, up like that because of space. So they are straight lines. So here I'll make straight lines. So we have the first line there. We have the second line. The third line. And lastly, we have the 4th line like that. Then after reaching that point there, I just join them from this. I am going to use now point N as my apex. Then join them with a 2H pencil like that. And from there like that. From this edge like that. And lastly, from that edge like that. So we have other arcs. So I said we are going to use these points 1, 2, 3. So let us go to point 1. This is my point 1. I come to this uppermost part there. That is it. Then I come to point N and make an arc. That is it. Then again I come to this point Z, open to this second arc here, then come to point N, then again make an arc. And lastly, I will make this lower one. There is a lowest arc here. So after opening from point Z to this lowest one here, I come to point N here and make an arc. So now, depending on what the examiner tells you, that's what you'll do. Now, is it supposed to be opened from this edge here or this one? For this one, I want to leave it open. If we open it from here, we'll start marking our points from this line that is below this one. But if we open it from here, we'll start marking it from the upper part. So depending on the one that the examiner asks, that is what you do. So let me start with this one here. So if I start with this one, I'll have this first point here, and it will end at this point here. Then we go to the second one, it will come to this point here, and this point here. Then lastly, it will come to this topmost part there. Then after doing that, the next thing is to draw now straight lines. So from here, you just draw a straight line to that point there, because it is a square pyramid, so you just join them with straight lines and not curves. If it was a cone, then you could have joined with a straight curve, then. Because it is now square, we have joined it with a ruler. So that is it. That is it. Now you just finish it with HP for it to be visible. What you need is what you put in the outline. So this is our outline of the service development. So that is it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the service development of this thing. So I want to thank you very much. Because of space, I can see I'm not going to do the true shape, but next time we will just finish on it. So thank you for watching. Continue following the channel, subscribe, like, comment and share with your fellow trainees. Comment and share also with your trainers.